Since several of you have been having a little bit of trouble with logging in and starting the first lesson, let me give you a run through on what you should do. You've probably already gotten through this first step, which is over here to register. And remember, you're going to want to register with the Web Portfolio Workshop. This other course is one that we have in development for a different reason. After you register, you will get an email that tells you that you are all ready to go. Here's what the email I got with a little example account that I created. And when I go back and click on that link, it says I'm now active. Now your job is to go up here and actually log in. While I'm doing that, remember I'm logging into the Junior Web Portfolio Workshop. Now you can tell that I'm in. I've given it this fake name that says David Watkinson up here and Junior Web Portfolio Workshop. Once you've logged in, you've got your name up the top, scroll to the bottom because what you're going to want to do is to actually join this class. Once you've joined, you see that the page changes, the original videos disappeared, and now you can see really all the lessons that we're going to have through time. This is the one you're going to start with right here, Web Portfolio Workshop Preparation. And why don't we click on that because this is the one where you should start. Once you get to this page, you're going to see a video that I've already made that walks you through all the different steps. They're just a few, but the different steps that are involved in this preparation lesson. There's also a little reminder here that in order to secure your spot, you not only have to turn in your permission form, which you have, but you have to complete this lesson. So let's start on the different topics that are involved. First, Web Portfolio Agreement and Permission Slip. It's important here to mark as complete. You've already handed in your permission slip. Because you marked as complete, the first green dot has appeared. Once you see that green dot, we can go back to the lesson. And now we'll pick the second thing. It's just to review the course roadmap. So here you can see this is the entire roadmap for the entire course that we're going to be doing. All the details, the before, during, and after activities. After reviewing it, just hit the back button and mark it as complete. You'll see here that we've got this survey that's going to be really important as Mr. Gromek and I put together the course and prepare for our first meeting. Once you've completed that, it's really important to, at the very bottom, submit it to Google, but then within the eLearn website, mark as complete. And finally, just one more activity to do before you are fully registered in the course. There's an article here. They loved your GPA, then they saw your tweets. Please click on it and read it. There's going to be one question when you're done to kind of quiz you on your knowledge and whether you really read it or not. This is an article from the New York Times. It's pretty brief, but it makes some really important points that fit in perfectly with the work that we're doing. Once you're done reading it, all you need to do is go back to the tab you were in, click on the quiz, answer the question that they give you. All right, so let's do the check. I'm not going to click because I don't want to show you what the real answer is, but in the end, you're going to want to click check my answer. In my case, I got it correct, and all I have to do is click next. Once you do that, you'll notice that all 4 green dots are done. I've completed all the steps of the lesson, so what I need to do is mark the entire lesson complete. Once you click the whole lesson complete, you'll notice that it's crossed out over here, and the remaining lessons are future work days and future online classes that you'll take. This is information for our first class that we're going to be having on Thursday the 13th. And if you've got noticed, some people were a little confused. The secret code is a code you will get when you are in the meeting. So at this point, you can stop. I will be able to see that you've completed all of the steps of the first lesson and you are officially in the course. Congratulations. I'll send you a confirmation email and we'll see you on Thursday, February 13th. Thanks.